Just before lunchtime, smoke billowed from this slipper factory in Valenzuela City. The structure on fire is Cantex Manufacturing Corporation, owned by Chinese businessman Ong King-guan. Putting the fire out was a challenge. Rubber materials inside were highly combustible.
The way you observe the kind of smoke, mahirap huminga sa ganong klaseng mga smoke.
A witness says sparks from a welding activity in front of the factory could have ignited flammable materials used in making flip-flops.
Kasi kuan po biglang mayroon nag-spark na chemical.
Saan po?
Dito sa babaho.
Bakit? Ano ba ginagawa nyo?
May gumagawa po kasi ng roll-up namin.
Welding.
Ngayon, nag-spark po, biglang kalat po siya. Ngayon, ninabol namin na buhusan ng tubig o fire extinguisher, hindi na makula.
An hour after the fire started, the alarm was raised to Task Force Charlie when firefighters from other Metro Manila districts were called in. While responders did everything they can, even breaking holes in walls to plug water hoses in. Relatives of workers trapped inside the factory anxiously wait.
Kasi nagulat po ako, may kasalubong po ako. Sinabi niya yung anak kong si Luis, wala na, sunog na.
Valenzuela Mayor Rex Gatchalian's news that at least 65 people were already missing because of the blaze doused hopes of survival. As darkness set in at 6:47 p.m., fire out was declared. Then, a tragic scene.
Yung actual na nakita namin, na pumani kami sa second floor ngayon, nag-breathing apparatus kami. More or less 28 yung mga skulls na nabilang namin.
More bodies are feared to be still trapped in other areas of the factory. Retrieval operations resumed Thursday morning. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.